Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about 5 things that people hate about Roblox. So, usually people are having opinions of what they don't like about Roblox. So, in this video, we're going to be talking about 5 things that people hate about Roblox. So number 1, clickbait games. So we know about clickbait games. Those annoy me so much. And you guys will know that the clickbait games that will frustrate you would be the free Robux games. Because the free Robux games are clickbait games. If you want to know what clickbait means, it's like a thumbnail or a text or a link, something that would be designed to attract attention, and it would entice users to view or follow the link or whatever. So the free Robux games are clickbait because usually the user who made the game would clickbait it in order to get visits. And that's what frustrates me so much because when you go to the free Robux game and it will tell you to put in your password, and I won't tell you my password because if I did, you would log into my account. But if you put your password in, it would say that incorrect password and it will kick you out of the game. And the game is just doing that so they could steal your password. So yeah, that's what will annoy people so much, and that will also what will ruin Roblox for kids too. And number 2, scammers. So we know about scammers and everything. Scammers are just bad people in my opinion, because scammers basically are suspicious people, and you would mostly meet suspicious people basically, kind of like an adopt me, which almost like what that people hate adopt me, almost when they get scammed, Roblox players will start to hate the game because they just get scammed for no freaking reason. So number 3, the chat filter. So we know that the chat filter is the most main reason why people hate Roblox. So the chat filter, which you guys already know, prohibits players from swearing basically and giving out personal information. But what will be wrong with the chat filter, in my opinion, is when you say something basically no one's talking in the chat, but if you're trying to say a heartfelt compliment to your friend, it will come out as hashtag, 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 and hashtag. So this is mostly the dumb chat filter, basically, because usually most of the time when people get hashtagged, usually they weren't even saying anything bad. But we even know about the stupid chat bypassers who will bypass the filter, and yeah, and oh, you've committed the crime, really, you hashtag, and then yeah, it's just ridiculous, because the chat filter, in my opinion, that Roblox did, I think they took it too far, because this is what will ruin Roblox for kids. And number 4, and also number 4, basically, is the most annoying thing for Roblox, like copy it clothing. So I'm talking about clothing basically in Roblox, and I would say copying clothing on Roblox is what would ruin Roblox for kids basically. It's where people even set up bots to copy as much clothing, and then they would sell it to make a tons of profits. But like copy and clothing is what would ruin Roblox for kids also, is because like people will just set up bots to copy the clothing. And also too, people are also frequently banned on Roblox or deleted on Roblox for botting clothing, and like almost basically there would not be the original clothing the designer made on a catalog anymore. So yeah, copying clothing is what will ruin Roblox for kids. And the last thing that people hate about Roblox, trust me, this one would also stun you, and this would also make you like, yeah, that's like what I would hate about Roblox. And also, number 5, I meant Robux. So like, you know, Robux, like where you purchase it, and I know everyone wants Robux, and like, why I said this one is because, like, for example, Welcome to Bloxburg is my favorite game on Bloxburg, but it requires Robux to have access. So if we go to Roblox right here, these are like my friends on my friends list, and then you go to Bloxburg here, it would require Robux, but don't worry, basically, I've even bought it, so I would be lucky. Shoot, sorry, JJ here is like, poop. So, like, why people would hate this one is like basically Robux is purchased, because like there's even no way to get free Robux, just letting you know, because I know those are just ways to get your information and they would steal your account. And like basically why people would hate the Robux is, one is because like they want to play Bloxburg so bad, but it requires Robux. But that was the choice of the developer, and you can't tell the developer what to do, because that's the choice that they made. Because like, don't worry, because when you get Robux, when you can earn that Robux, and you can buy the Bloxburg access, and you can buy any item that you've ever wanted so bad. And this is going to be the end of my video, everyone. So I hope that this video helped, and I hope that you would have a good day. And if I missed anything in the video, let me know in the comment section below, and you can tell me what things that you would hate about Roblox. And then one last thing that people hate about Roblox is like online dating. Like online dating is like where a user would ask for a boyfriend or girlfriend, but like you should not even online date on Roblox, because that's even against the rules. Because if Roblox even finds out that you're online dating, they're like gonna end you, which I know, because like when they end you, they're gonna delete everything off of your account, and they'll make it permanently deleted. Where like if you have any games that you made, they're gonna take the games down too, and if you appeal and get your account back, it would have to be a lot of rebuilding for you. Alright guys, I'm gonna end my video here. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if I missed anything, again, let me know in the comments, and let me know what you would hate about Roblox, and I might do a part 2 also. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is Queen Sweet Cookie here. This is Queen Sweet Cookie Queen 9538 talking to you, and I love you so much. And I love you so much, and peace.